Next is right of positive 1.15 and left of negative 1.85. So, plotting this two, we'll have 1.15 here. Let's say this is 1.15. And we have negative 1.85 here. And then for the shaded region, so first, write down ng 1.15. Nasaan ba yung right ng 1.15? This is 1.15 and the right side of that one is this. Next, negative 1.85. Left of negative 1.85. The left side of negative 1.85 is this. Next, you go to the table. Sa table, ang i-reflect niya is, again, from 0 to the given C-score. So, 0 to 1.15, the area is 0.3749. Next naman, yung region naman from 0 to 1.85. So, you look for the region from 0 to 1.85 or negative 1.85. So, 1.8 tapos 0.05. And that is, ibaba lang natin just to show the difference between the two para hindi din kayo malito. Next is, ano nga uli yun? Region 4, 0 to negative 1.85 is 0.4678. O, ngayon po. Yung nire-reflect ng table natin is not the shaded region. The shaded region is outside that, outside this, parang reflected region dun sa table. So, there are a lot of ways on how are we going to, or how can we solve this given problem. I will show you two ways on how are you going to solve this one. The first thing is, you add the two, this two region, tapos after adding this two, you subtract it by 1. Bakit by 1, ma'am? Kasi po, after adding this one, parang ano, simple geometry lang. This is your unshaded part, right? So, since this is your unshaded part, tapos ito yung shaded part, to get the shaded part or to get the area of the shaded part, since alam natin yung unshaded, you add the 2, tapos bakit sa 1, ma'am? Kasi po, the entire normal curve is equal to 1 or equivalent to 1. So, unshaded part minus the whole part or the whole part minus the unshaded part is the shaded part. Ulit, yung whole part minus the unshaded part, makukuha natin yung area ng shaded part. Yun yung unang way na 0.4678 plus 37.3749. 0.4678, sorry, 78 plus 0.3749. The answer is 0.84. Ano yan? 8427. And then we subtract it by 1 to get the unshaded part. So 1 minus 0.8427 is 1 minus 0.8427. The answer is 0.1573 or 15.73%. So this is the area of the unshaded region. Or the shaded region pala rather. This is the area of the shaded region. 0.1573. Ngayon, ma'am, what's the second way of solving this one? The second way of solving this one, sige, let's have another, ano na lang, marker. Or, another marker, another graph. Na, diba kanina, we have here 0, negative 1.85. This is 1.15. Tapos, this one is, ano yun? 0.3749. And this one is 0.4678. And this is the shaded part. This is the shaded part. Ngayon, From 0 to this side is, we all know na 0.5 yung area nito, right? And then, ito din is also 0.5. So, pwedeng, you subtract first 0.5 and 0.4678 na 0.5 minus 0.4678. 0.5 minus 0.4678, that is 0. Ito yun. Ito yung nakuha natin. If we will subtract this 2 na 0.0322, 0.0322, ito siya, 0.0322. Tapos, ito din yung parang half-half yung pagsasolve nyo. Ito muna, and then this one. Tapos, next, for us to get this shaded part, 0.5 minus 0.3749. And that is 0.5 minus 0.3749 is 0.1251. And this is 0.1251. And, since ito, nakuha na natin yung shaded part for this one, nakuha na din natin yung shaded part for this one, all we have to do is add the area for those two shaded region na 0.0322 plus 0.1251, we will still come up with the same area ng shaded region as 0.0322. Tama ba ako? Yan. 0.1573 or 15.73%. Sorry for my penmanship. 15.73% na the same as kanina na 15.73. So, if you will ask me, ma'am, which way is much easier? I don't know po. It depends on you kung alin yung mas na-analyze nyo ng mas madali. But, either way, ayan, napakita ko naman na, oh my God, na you will still come up with the same numerical value. So, yung una lang kasi, it's just parang mas simpler lang siya since konti lang yung mga steps niya. You add and then you subtract everything by 1 kasi we get the whole, we include the whole normal distribution. Pero for this one, naging step by step lang siya. It is because you solve for the half, yung first half nung normal curve, and then the second half of the normal curve, and then you just combine the two. Okay po. So, it's up to you. So, most likely, that will be the scenarios that you will encounter po for the areas under the normal curve.